Hey guys! Okay, well today we're going to be doing some more backtesting. That's right, more backtesting. The glamorous life of a day trader. Lots and lots of backtesting. And this is pretty much what we're going to be doing a whole lot until we are making as much money as our goals are set at. Basically until we're doing this full time. Probably even more. I mean, it's probably never going to be a never-ending process. Let's just come to terms with the fact. Backtesting will never end. Okay, well, let's get to it. Well, basically what we're going to be doing today is the exact same strategy that we did on gold, and just for your reference, these are results with that session of backtesting. So 100 random days, 10 lots per trade on gold, and this is kind of loosely assuming this is about a $100,000 account, but 100 randomly generated days, and we got just under $120,000 with a peak drawdown of it's like $17,000 thereabouts. So that's the data we were able to pick up, and and this basically comes down to about 5% a month. Well, no, sorry, not 5% a month. I basically want to find more pairs that we're going to get similar results with other than gold, and I was thinking JBP, JPY, pound yen, but now I'm having second thoughts about that. I'm thinking oil. Is going to be the one. So we're going to give this a try. Change that. US oil. Okay. Because basically, if you're going to be using any prop firms, you have to stay within parameters. And my biggest problem with using 10 lots, even on a $100,000 account, is that a lot of prop firms are going to require that you have a max drawdown of 5%. And many of these days, even with a $100,000 account, had over a 5% drawdown right here, right there, right there. So I'm thinking I want to add a few more pairs that we can be doing this at the same time, just to maximize our profit. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so again, we're going to be backtesting the same days, and again, these are randomly generated days, and we're going to be doing this on oil. So let's get our chart set up. So we only need one pair, and that pair needs to be oil. And again, this charting platform is called Green Charts. All these indicators are proprietary. If you want to give them a try, $10 a month gets you access. Sorry, $10 gives you access for a month. Light10.com/mad of trades. You also get access to webinars, live trading, and someone like me will actually get some. We'll actually schedule some Zoom sessions with you and get some private instruction. All right, let's get into it. Make sure our chart's the way we need it. Okay, 10 minute, 1 minute. Okay, perfect. This is exactly what we need. Open our trade simulator. I really like this program because it's super easy to backtest. So easy. Okay. Yes, oil. And then again, we're just going to do the standard 10 lots we've been doing. Just basically maximum $5,000 loss if we hit our max loss, which happens every once in a while. All right, random first days, 5/12 of 2023. Let's go there. 2023, and we're going to be back testing from 7:31 a.m. to 9 a.m., and that's Mountain Time, basically the start of the New York stock session. So that's what we're going to be doing. All right, well, let's get into it. So, all right, here's the strategy. So when our orange and big blue are facing the same direction and the dotted blue is pointing the opposite direction, we take a trade in the in the direction of the orange. And then I'll get into the details of how we get out of a trade, and it's different whether we're in profit or running a negative P&L for that trade. So nothing to start, so we'll just actually we did get one here just a second ago, so we'll just click forward until we get a signal, and we get one right here. So our orange and big blue are facing the same direction. The dotted blue is pointing down, so we're going to take a trade in the direction of the orange, which is a buy. So boom, push buy. All right, let's see how this goes. Okay, so if we're running a loss, holy crap, this 10 lots is gonna be, I might have to tweak that a little bit, but anyway, we'll just keep it as is for now. Anyway, yeah, I don't know. I'm not super familiar with oil, so we might have to adjust our max stop, perhaps. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, so if we're running a loss, we keep the trade running until both the dotted blue and the orange face the opposite directions from when we entered the trade. And if we're in profit, we close the trade if we close below the body of the previous candle if we're buying. Now, if we come into a situation, let's see, where, let's go back, where big blue flips during the trade and we're not in profit, we will close the trade with the first candle that closes above our entry if we're buying. And that's just because when big blue flips, it's a decent indication that that upward movement or that potential upward movement is slowing down or no longer there. So basically, we're happy to just break even or take whatever profit we can. So we are going to close this trade out right here. Boom. Okay. All right, and then we just wait till the next trade opportunity, which is right here. So orange down, dotted up, big blue down, take a sell. All right, one more thing I want to get into. Okay, we are actually getting a signal to get out right here because, are we really? Yeah, because our orange and blue have flipped from the original signal, so we'll hop out there. Okay, and then again, we're just looking for the next trade opportunity, which is right here. Orange up, dotted down, big blue up. Take a buy. Now again, we're testing this. This might not be a profitable strategy, at least on oil, but it is on gold. Okay, what was I gonna... Okay, I remember now. Okay, so right here, we would close the trade. And what I have been doing in past backtesting sessions is close the trade. But since we're getting more... Since the indicators are telling us it's going to keep going up, what I would do is I would close the trade and then take another buy. And I should have known this, but what I'm realizing is that when you do that in the live market, you rack up commissions real quick. And the reason why I was doing that is because it kind of resets the bar that you're going for. So what I'm going to start doing, instead of closing it and opening a new trade, I'm just going to set a new bar right there. So I'm going to pretend as if this is my new entry, but I'm not going to start a new trade because commissions add up. So we're just going to leave this one open. Okay, it's going to take a second to get used to. Okay, and now we are actually getting a signal to get out of this trade and go down, so I am going to close it and go down. I don't need that up anymore. This isn't looking, well, we are on the first day. Okay, getting some good downward movement now. Alright, so okay, we are going to close this trade because our big blue is not... Oh, and if big blue flips while we're in profit, it's just business as usual, unless we go back into negative for a second, then we'll close that once we're positive again. Okay, so right here we close out, and then we again just wait for our next trade opportunity, which is right. We go up a little bit, right. Nope. Okay, so that's 9 o'clock. So our first day is a $400 loss, which is basically breaking even. Let me just record my results here. All right, 421 of 23 is next. If I could type. Drink today is a Rockstar punched fruit punch flavor, which is not my favorite flavor. I think the green apple one is my favorite Rockstar flavor. All right. Very first thing, we're getting a signal to take sell. Okay, this is interesting movement. Okay, all right, right here we're gonna set the new standard. It's our new bar. Okay. So we did get some flippage. We were even though. I don't know if I close this one or not. This is kind of a gray area. All right, we'll close it right there. Okay, and then we just look for the next next opportunity to hop in, which is going to be right somewhere, right here. Yep, right here. I'm going to take a buy. Oh, here's what's interesting what I did with oil though. So I did backtest only 7:31 a.m. trades with oil. It wasn't as good as gold, but I also didn't get as many trade opportunities, and the win percentage wasn't as high. It was still profitable by a good amount, but the profit per trade was higher. So that's kind of what gives me hope with oil. I don't think it's necessarily going to be as good, but I think it's going to be good enough to where we can trade in the live market here. And okay, so we're setting the new. Nope, we're closing it out right there. Big blue is no longer agreeing, and we're gonna wait for the next opportunity. Okay, there we go. Big blue, orange down, dotted blue up. That's a sell. Oh, that's great. I love this kind of movement. Okay, we're gonna set a new standard right there. And we're going to go for more. Okay. Oh, do we close out there? I don't know. Hold on. Hang on. Okay. Big blue switched right here. So we are going to close it. So we need to get back to this line. Alright, we are getting a signal to end the trade right here because we're actually getting a buy signal, but we're not going to take it because it's 9 o'clock. That's the end of the trading day. Man, this almost makes me, at least with gold, it almost makes me just want to end the trade when blue switches, or at least move my, maybe set a trailing stop loss or something. We're just gonna keep going as is though, and we can maybe look about tweaking it later. But 3 winners, no losers. That's a $2,000 profit. We're at a total P&L after 2 days of trading with 10 lots per trade at 1,600. All right, 10, 17, 23 is next. Okay, nothing. Okay, there we go. We're gonna hop in here. Take buy. Okay, we don't need to move the standard because it was at our break even anyway. Here we go. Here we go. See, these are the movements that we're looking for specifically with this strategy. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna raise our standard right there because the TNTs are telling us to go for more. The orange and blue lines are called the TNTs, by the way. Oh, no, no, no. I don't want to enter another trade. We're just keeping this one open. I do have a feeling our blue's going to switch, though, at the post here. Which it does, and we actually get a sell signal. This is actually so good. So we close above our standard for a profit. And now it's telling us to go directly into a sell. We'll see how this goes. So far, so good. So far, so very good. Woo-wee! Okay. We're going to set it the new standard right there. Okay. Alright, and we are getting a signal to get out and buy. So blue up, orange up, dark blue down. So get out and buy. We don't need that anymore. Here we go. I'm liking this so far. Okay, we're going to set the new standard right there. Okay, TNT's still good for more here. Good for a lot more. Here we go. All right. I'm going to go ahead and close it out here. Ooh, actually. Yeah, right here. And we're actually going to go for a sell now. We're just doing what the TNTs tell us to do according to our trade plan. Okay, set the standard. Right there. Go for more now. Ah. Excellent. Keep going. Okay, nothing's telling us to get out just quite yet. Okay, our blue did switch, but we're in profit, so it's just kind of business as usual as far as our exit strategy for now. Oh, buddy. All right, there we go. We'll hop out right here. Oh, wow. That's good. Almost 11,000 in a one day with this strategy. Not bad. All right, let's record our results. All winners. Ooh, 10,800. That's really good. How did gold do on this day? Gold did good too. Gold made 5,080 on the same day. Let's see if I can see both at the same time. Nice, yeah. All right, so now we're at total P&L after 3 trading days of 12,400. It's looking promising so far. All right, next day to backtest is 1/2 of 2020. Okay, start over. Okay, and we're immediately starting out with a sell. Hang on, what happened here? Was that a sell? Hang on, I don't think that was a sell. No, it wasn't a sell. Big blue wasn't pointing the right way, so we gotta start over. Okay, now we're going. Which is a shame because there's a lot of good movement there. Okay, big blue's not agreeing. And we probably will get a trade going down here, right here. Take a sell. Such a weird day. The first week of the year is always weird, I've noticed. Just look at that. That movement is fugly. Okay, we got the big blue switching right here, so we're just going to take our profit right there as soon as we get back into profit, rather. Okay, and then we'll keep going until we get our next signal, which is right here. And again, orange up, dotted blue down, big blue up. That's a buy. Hop in. Oh, yeah, these are nasty candles. This is just nasty price action. I would not be trading right now if I saw how ugly this was in a live market. And this is probably going to be a losing day. Although gold got picked up some on this day, so let's see what... Oh, no, just kidding. We're already at 9 o'clock. Okay, where do we close this? Right here. Okay, so small... Oops, don't want to buy. Small loss. So, 1 and 1 minus 1,500. Total P&L is 10,900 after 4 trading days. Next up is 7/8/2021. Yep, this is backtesting. Yep, the name of the video is Day Trading Live Backtesting. So yep, that is exactly what we're doing. Let's see. 10/8/21. I saw that you subbed, by the way. Appreciate that. Okay. Alright, we're going for a buy first thing. Because orange is up, dotted blue's down, and big blue is up. So that is our signal to buy. Okay, we're going to set the standard right here. That's our new level of standard, and it's going to go down a little bit. Okay, and big blue did flip, so we are going to close our trade as soon as we get above our standard, which we do, so we're going to close that out. Wow. That time... Oh, never mind. Still getting used to this. Okay, so we close that out, and now we're going to look for a trade probably going down right here. Yep. Got the signal, so we're going to go for the down. Get some money and going down. There we go. Perfect. So that is our new standard right there. Okay, and let's see if we can get some more. Okay, hold on, right. Where did okay, hang on. Oh, okay, so big blue flipped right here. So we are actually going to close out right here. So we don't go for more unless all of our TNT lines are going our way. So we actually close that out right there. And now we just wait for our next signal. And there it is. To buy. Okay, here's our new standard. Okay, blue's probably going to switch, yep. Okay, everything switched, so we are going to close this out and go for a sell now. There we go. Okay, there's our new standard right here since we closed above the previous body of the candle. Body of the previous candle, that's the way to put it. All right, still going. Okay, there's our new standard. Ah, that stinks. That really stinks. Okay, now it did. Everything is switched right here, so we close out for a loss. Okay, let's just... Okay, there's the end of the day, so we'll got a loser day. 2 and 2. Minus $1,000. We're still up 9,900. 900? 9... What am I saying? Yeah, $9,900. All right, next day is 12:30 of 22. Well, and okay, no trade yet. Probably gonna be looking at taking a sell, right? Ooh. So when will you be live streaming? Well, I am live streaming this. Do you mean when will I be streaming live trading? Yeah, it's going against us. Yeah, it's still saying. Okay, we did hit our max loss there, so that sucks. And it wants to go down. Telling us to go down. Okay, so let's see what happened here. So blue switched. Big blue switched, so we are in profit, so business as usual. Here we go. Okay, so we clawed back some of our loss there. Now we're just going to wait for our next opportunity to take a trade here. Okay, not quite getting the signal. And we get it right here. So orange down, big blue down, dotted blue up. That's our sell signal. I do plan on, I have been doing live trading in a live market. I haven't done it in a while just because I changed my office situation. It's actually my bedroom now, so I can't really do that at the time that I'm trading. As soon as I get that sorted out, I'll be live trading, live streaming, live trading. Go. Interesting. All right, we are getting the signal to get out. Okay, so losing day there. All right, 1 win, 2 losses. Minus 4,100. We are still up overall, $5,800 after 6 trading days. The next day is 5/19 of 2020. Again, these are randomly generated days, so we get a good variety of different market conditions. I find it helps with getting a true win rate or setting up expectations when you're trading the live market. So, okay, we're getting a buy first thing. Well, that stinks. Ouch. All right, and it's telling us to close it out right here and go the other way, actually. So we'll close it out and go for sell. See if we can claw back. Okay, big blue switch, so we will close our trade out if we get a candle that closes in our profit or below our entry, unless we get the signal to get out of the trade, which we did right here, but we actually got the signal to get out and go the other way. Looks like we could be in the start of a death range here. Okay, hold on, right. We did get our blue to switch, so we'll make sure. All right, so we're closing right here since our blue switched. Big blue. All right, now we're just waiting for our next opportunity to take a trade, which is probably going to be a sell, I'm going to guess. Or not. Okay, now we need our dotted blue to go down. There it is. All right, take our buy right here. 10 minutes left. Yikes. What? Yeah, live trading. Yeah, so I had my own office, and then my office got converted into a child's bedroom. So now my office is my bedroom, and I don't want to live stream with in my bedroom because I'm not the only one that lives in my bedroom. So, yeah, until I figure out my my situation with my office, I probably won't be live streaming unless I'm able to figure out a good strategy for the evening, which I'm kind of working on, but I haven't yet. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Go back because I got lost. Okay, so we took a buy. It's going against us, and it still wants. Oh, okay, right here, it's telling us to hop out. And right. Oh man. Okay, that's the end of that day. So another losing day. So minus 1 win, 3 losses, minus 4,500. We are still up 1,300. However, that's quite the drawdown from where we were. We were up 12,400. Now we're at 1,300. 6-7 of 22. It's the next randomly generated day to backtest. Hold on, I need to respond to this. Okay. Okay, we already got in. Went for a buy. Oh, okay. Right here is our new standard. Okay, let's see if we can get some more. Here we go. Our blue did switch, but we're in profit, so just kind of business as usual, and we're getting a really good move here. Okay, we're going to close it out there since our indicators are not telling us to stay in. So $9,200 in one trade. That's fun. And then we're getting a sell right here. And again, our signal is when our orange and big blue are pointing the same direction and the dotted blue are opposite. We take a trade in the direction of the orange. That's our trade plan. And then there's some rules. It gets a little more complicated when we're looking to end the trade. We are pretty overbought, so let's see if we can make our way down. Yeah, we did get our big blue switching. Okay, okay, so we switched here, so we're gonna close out here. And I do need to head out in just a second, so we'll just finish up this day. Good day so far, though. Okay, let's see if we can get another. Okay, we're actually getting a buy right here. Why was that late? Right here, buy. There we go. Okay, still wanting to go up. Congrats on the new child. Thank you. I mean, she's not super new. She just grew out of sleeping in her bedroom with us. But yeah, she's 9 months now. I have a 9-month-old and an almost 3-year-old now. And kids take up a lot of space, man. 3-bedroom house, and we're already like, this is getting tight. All right. Okay, indicators are still saying we want to keep going up, so we're going to raise our standard. Okay, and right when that happens, our blue switches. Okay, we're actually getting a signal to get out right here. Okay, so we do end that trade for an overall loss, which just kind of sucks. We were all the way up here at one point. But still a good day, $8,000. Trading Asia is not... I can't read that. It's in the way. Asia's not good a lot of the time. Yeah. I don't know. I need to talk to some of my compadres that use this program and do trade in the evening time. I haven't been able to find a good strategy to trade in the evening. Just everything moves different, and the spreads are bigger too, is the biggest thing. So this is called green charts, and these indicators are proprietary, and if you actually want to give them a try, so if you go to light10.com/metatrades, there'll be a place you can fill out your information. Basically, there's a $10 donation, or at least the $10 fee you pay goes toward a donation, and you get access to this for a month. And you'd also get access to webinars and other resources to show you how to use this, and either me or someone like me will actually schedule some Zoom sessions with you to give you some private instructions. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and give that a try. Okay, let's see. Oh, you know what? We actually are getting a sell right here. Oh, nice. Look at that. Okay. And with that, we close that out. So 3 winners, 1 loser. And a profit of 12,100. Oh, 100. There we go. And overall, we are up 13,400. So I'll show you this. So these are the days we've done so far. So you can see that. So yeah, I drew it up good amount, lost a bunch, drew it back up. So pretty up and down so far. Okay, well, I gotta go help my wife out with something. So it was great trading with y'all. Hope you learned something or got inspired or something. Okay, I'll see you